A letter in a tank. Quite by a chance, during the restoration of the T-35 tank, a letter that a tank school cadet wrote home to his mother was found. He didn't have time to finish it and he put it between the sheathing and the armor. The T-35 is a heavy Soviet tank with 5 turrets, which had great firepower but had very weak armor and low speed. All the tanks of this series were immediately sent into battle and almost all of them died at the very beginning of the war. Only a few vehicles survived 1941, but they never participated in battles again, but were used for filming a documentary about a Battle of Moscow. Only 2 tanks have survived to this day. In the letter found, the cadet asked his mother if she had received the money he had sent to her previously. The address was also indicated on the reverse side. Unfortunately, it wasn't possible to identify relatives at this address and find out the fate of the cadet.